Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to replace your headlights on the Volkswagen MK6 along with an upgrade from the halogen lights to the LED lights that look like MK7 style. Now this upgrade will only work if you have the halogen type of lights on your MK6. If you have already xenon lights or something else, this will not work. Now this is a direct plug-in replacement without any modifications to your wiring. This is the kind of lights I got off of eBay. I will look, and if I will be able to find a link I will provide. If not, here is the QR code. I will show you the way without a complete removal of the bumper. Step number one, let's remove this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Once the screws are removed, pull up the grill and then with your other hand pull it out this way. So step number two, we're going to remove these 2 screws to release the bumper from the front. Next, move the wheel on the inward, and we're going to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bottom of the bumper 5 screws. Once the screws are out, just grab the bumper and pull it towards you, just like so. There you go. And with this screw out, the bumper is loose and the headlight is ready to be out. For that, we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Once the bolts are out, the headlight is ready to be removed, just like that, towards you, as it's positioned straight forward towards you, just like that. Once the light is loose, let's unplug this connector for the whole light. So to unplug, you just stick your screwdriver right here and press on this little pin, and what it does on the inside, or if you can do it with your thumb, you see, you'll have to press quite hard and then you just pull it out. And when you're pressing, you're sliding over this little guy here. Here's the way the headlight is looking from the bottom. So when you're sliding it back or out, in our case, all it is, we're sliding out of this 1, 2, 3 slots on the bottom. So what we're doing, we're grabbing it from the front and sliding it out from these 3 positions. Now this is our new adapter for the new headlight. Let's put it back. Let's put it on and slide the new headlight in. I like to keep the plastic on while I'm still working on the car, just prevent scratches and unnecessary scuffs with the tools or the bumper. So now let's put everything back together and see how she looks. And there she is. That is the final product. I think the car got younger by about 15 years, to say the least. Looks very good, and the light that will be provided by these LEDs is probably going to be 20 times better and clearer, stronger and further. Anyway, if you like the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. See you next time.